Dry, irritated eyes nearly ruined my vision until I discovered this centuries-old solution that transformed my eye health completely. After years of suffering and thousands spent on prescription drops, this natural alternative changed everything for me and countless others. What I'm about to share could free you from eye discomfort and potentially improve your vision naturally using just one affordable ingredient. Modern screens and environmental factors are damaging our eyes at unprecedented rates, making this information more crucial than ever. Castor oil isn't just any ordinary oil. It contains a powerful compound called ricinoleic acid that has remarkable anti-inflammatory properties specifically beneficial for eye tissues. The Journal of Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics published research showing that certain fatty acids in castor oil can reduce inflammation markers in tear film by up to 35% when applied appropriately. My journey began 5 years ago when chronic computer use left me with burning, irritated eyes that no prescription seemed to help. Ophthalmologists diagnosed me with dry eye syndrome and meibomian gland dysfunction, conditions affecting millions worldwide, but with limited effective treatments. Traditional treatments only temporarily masked my symptoms, while doing nothing to address the underlying causes of my deteriorating eye health. After researching ancient Ayurvedic practices, I discovered castor oil had been used for thousands of years to treat various eye conditions. Skeptical but desperate, I decided to try it. Within 2 weeks of careful application, the improvement was undeniable. My eyes felt more lubricated, less irritated, and my vision seemed clearer, especially at night. The science behind castor oil's effectiveness lies in its unique molecular structure. Its fatty acids are similar to the natural oils produced by our meibomian glands along the eyelids. These specialized glands produce oils that prevent tear evaporation, and when they malfunction, dry eye syndrome develops. Castor oil essentially supplements this natural process. Research published in the International Journal of Ophthalmology showed that castor oil-based eye drops extended tear film breakup time by 43% compared to artificial tears in study participants. Importantly, you must only use hexane-free, cold-pressed, organic castor oil specifically labeled as safe for ocular use. Using the wrong type could cause serious irritation or infection. The application method is crucial for safety and effectiveness. I learned this through careful research and consultation with an integrative medicine specialist. Before bedtime, I wash my hands thoroughly, then place a single drop of high-quality castor oil on my fingertip. I gently apply this to the outer lower eyelid, never directly into the eye. During sleep, the oil naturally warms and migrates across the eye surface, soothing irritated tissues and helping restore proper tear film function. One of the most surprising benefits I experienced was reduced eye pressure. A small study in the Journal of Glaucoma Research suggested that certain plant oils may temporarily reduce intraocular pressure. Many users report castor oil helps with computer vision syndrome, providing relief from the dryness and strain caused by extended screen time, something increasingly common in our digital age. Beyond moisture, castor oil contains antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, potentially protecting delicate eye tissues from oxidative stress and premature aging. The Journal of Lipid Research noted that ricinoleic acid has antimicrobial properties, which may help prevent eye infections while supporting overall ocular surface health. Another unexpected benefit I noticed was the gradual lightening of dark circles under my eyes. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce the vascular congestion that causes this common cosmetic concern. Many users report thicker, longer eyelashes after regular castor oil application. The same nutrients nourishing eye tissues apparently strengthen hair follicles along the lash line. While benefits can be remarkable, it's essential to understand the potential risks. Always perform a patch test first, as some individuals may be sensitive to castor oil. Never use castor oil in your eyes if you have active eye infections, recent eye surgery, or specific eye conditions, without consulting your ophthalmologist first. Discontinue use immediately and seek medical attention if you experience increased redness, pain, or vision changes after application. Your eye health should always come first. Some ophthalmologists remain skeptical about castor oil use, primarily due to limited large-scale clinical trials, though smaller studies continue to show promising results.